Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Panax Ginseng extract. This powerful herb is known for its adaptogenic properties, helping your body manage stress and boost energy levels naturally. You can find it in various forms, including capsules, powders, or dried root for teas. We'll cover everything you need to know for safe and effective use. For Panax Ginseng extract, a common daily dosage is between 200 and 400 milligrams. It's often recommended to take it with water, ideally in the morning or before noon, to avoid potential sleep disruption. Remember, individual needs vary, so always consult a healthcare professional to determine the best dosage for you. While generally well tolerated, Panax Ginseng can have mild side effects such as headaches, insomnia, or an upset stomach. It's crucial to avoid this supplement if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or have conditions like high blood pressure or hormone-sensitive cancers. Always pay attention to how your body reacts and stop use if you experience any concerning symptoms. To truly maximize the benefits of Panax Ginseng, integrate it into a healthy lifestyle that includes a balanced diet and regular exercise. Consistency is vital. Many studies suggest using it for at least 8 weeks to observe its full effects. This approach helps support overall well-being and allows the adaptogenic properties to work effectively. And for more great deals, including how to bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.